Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Soak, Fizz, and Bubbles, and this is their Candy Carousel Bath Bomb, which is very colorful and fun looking. All their bath bombs are just so cool. Some of them are so intricate, and they must spend a lot of time designing them and creating them. I'll have to see if they have a YouTube channel, because I'm actually interested. If they have any like how it's made videos, that would be so cool. They do sell out very quickly though, and they are forever updating and changing their bath bombs. So this one currently is not on their website, but I don't know if they bring them back over time or how that works. But every time I go on their website, new bath bombs. And they're very reasonably priced. For the most part, there's nothing hidden inside, but I have gotten a couple bath bombs before that did have stuff inside. I've gotten Pokeballs that had little Pokemon in them. I've had geode bath bombs that had cool little crystals inside. So I love that. And though this one isn't on the website anymore, it did have the fragrance notes on the wrapper. So it said it had raspberry, strawberry, banana, blended with sweet sugar, wild berries, cherry on a bed of vanilla Laffy Taffy. So very fruity. And of course, smells delicious. And I loved watching this one in the tub, just the color shooting out of the side of it. And they do incorporate a lot of oils in their bath bombs, so it's very moisturizing. And they do last a long time. It was really hard for me not to pick up this bath bomb and play with it. But I did eventually take a peek at it towards the end just to see what it looked like. And what I also think is cool with this company, they take a lot of time, I think, pairing the colors together. So you can see purple and yellow and blue, but the water didn't turn like a gross color. It was green at the end. Some companies are very colorful bath bomb, and when you mix the water around, it's brown. So I don't like bathing in brown water. I think it's weird. So I appreciate anytime it's an actual pleasant color. So here's what I kind of took a peek at it, though it wasn't really on camera because I was so zoomed in. But eventually did come down to just a little bit left. Most of the colors were gone. So I went ahead and crumbled it up. But that is my demo for the Candy Carousel Bath Bomb. I do have a promo code in the description box. I'm not sure if it's still valid because it came with my order many, many months ago. But give it a try. Make sure you check them out. And thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.